Why does this man make cracking sounds with dogs' bones? Are they okay? Like, why he doing that? I'll tell you ahead, but before, if you have dogs, like and subscribe. You see, sometimes animals have bone problems. Owners bring them to specialists to make them feel better, and this specialist is called animal chiropractor. So, is that painful or not? Well, they are experts who study animal bones to help improve their posture and relieve issues like sore joints. It's like giving animals a special treatment to help them feel better and move more comfortably. While the cracking sounds might seem painful, but animals don't feel any pain during the process.
Thank you.